Okay, so guys, this book is called Magnets Pulling Together and Pushing Apart, and then it's written by Nathan M. Was and I don't know what that means. Illustrated by Sri Bond. And guys, did you know what a magnet is? So guys, magnets can attract. Okay, today I'm going to read this. Okay. Okay, so this is the table of continents. Okay, so guys, amazing magnets. Magnets have the amazing power to make things move. When strings pull and lift things, it's easy to see how they work. Magnets seem to make things move by magic. Watch a paper clip screw to a magnet. The paper clip slides along as if pulled by an invisible string. Magnets pull only on special kinds of material. Try to move a steel spoon or an iron nail with a magnet. Now try a bowl of cotton and rubber ball or plastic pen. How do magnets work? Magnets can only pull things that are close enough on them. Put a paper clip far away from a magnet. Slowly move the paper clip closer and closer. How close does it get before it leaps forward? It leaps toward the magnet. Magnets can work through a covering if it is thin enough. Lay a sheet of paper over your magnet and place the paper clip on top of the paper, or try putting a piece of plastic wrap or the corner of your shirt on top of the magnet. What happens to the paper clip now? Okay, then go an iron nail from the end of a magnet. Now touch the paper clip to the nail. The paper clip sticks the nail. When the nail has become a magnet, when some material objects touch or get close enough to magnets, the metal objects become magnets. Pull the nail away from the magnet. Does the paper clip still cling to the nail? Rub a steel spoon along the magnet. You can feel the spoon being pulled toward the magnet's ends. Those ends are called poles. One magnet's pole is strongest at its two ends. One end is called the North Pole. The other is the South Pole. Fun fact: if you break a magnet apart, you have two new magnets. Each separate piece has its own north and south poles. Don't play piano. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. I have to interrupt my recording. I'm sorry. And then I will continue reading this. The poles of a magnet can push as well as pull. Poles that are alike repel each other. The north pole of one magnet will push away from the north pole of another. Fun fact: in Japan, some high-speed trains use extra strong magnets. Magnets on the train repel or push against magnets in the track. The train seems to glide on a cushion of air. Opposite poles attract each other. One magnet's north pole will stick to the south pole of another magnet. Magnetic Earth. Earth is a giant magnet. It has two ends or poles, just like other magnets. Earth's magnetic ends are close to the north and south poles that are shown on a globe or map. So south is magnetic pole and north is magnetic pole. So look at that. Okay, the cold North Pole and South Pole covered with ice are not the same as Earth's two magnetic poles. How does a compass work? Earth's magnetic power pulls on outer magnets. The needle on the compass is a tiny magnet. The needle always lines up in a north-south direction, pointing toward the magnetic poles of Earth. Fun fact, a compass will work if you're standing too close to the cold North Pole. The needle points to Earth's magnetic pole. Once you travel past that magnetic pole, the needle not point nearward anymore. A compass shows us in what direction we are moving in north, south, east, or west. Sailors once used compasses to cross the ocean and find their way back home. Magnets all around. Some of Earth's rocks have magnetic powers. Long ago, the Greek and Chinese people discovered the magnetic tape. Fun fact, another meaning for a piece of magnet is a lodestone. Lodestones were used to make the world's first compasses. The Greeks were amazed as they watched magnet pull small pieces of iron. The olden Chinese hung splinters of a magnetic from strings and watched the rocks line up in a north-south direction. Today, electric fans. Oh my God, this is a long word. Stop. Today, electric fans whirl, refrigerators hum, and burglar alarms ring with the help of magnets and the motors. Huge magnets help junkyard workers lift tons of scrap metal. Those magnets, whoops, I'm sorry guys, this is blurry. Those magnets move cars and trucks as if they were small toys. Doctors also use magnets and special machines to look deep inside your body. Magnets push and pull us all around the world. Okay, so this is the experiment. So guys, I'm not going to read this because I don't want the video to be too long, so I think you have to read it on your own. Okay, that's glossary. Okay, now that's the index. And then that's the end. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my today's video. So thanks for watching. Bye.